culture. Kababayan Fest tickets are on sale now. Don't miss this event.
Thank you for sharing your Thursday afternoon with us here on Kababayan LA. Kamakailan po ako ay nagpunta ng Pilipinas. I was there for 2 weeks. I covered the inauguration, and there was a convention for overseas Filipino workers for good governance. And in the coming days, we're going to give you a special on that. Napakarami pong mga interviews, but for now, syempre alam na po ng lahat, President Noynoy Aquino is the 15th President of the Republic of the Philippines. At nagpasalamat po siya through his girlfriend, ang Valenzuela Councilor Shalani Soledad, sa mga bumoto po sa kanya, sa mga kababayan natin dito sa Amerika. Let's watch this.
Well, firstly, to all our kababayans in LA, we would like to say thank you for the unwavering show of love and support during the time of elections. And now, officially, Noy will be starting his duty already. So we hope to see all of them, and we hope to see them cooperating with us so that in the next few years, they won't just be able to say, they are proud to be Filipinos living in LA, but they would be also proud to say they are Filipinos who has a beautiful home that they could come home to anytime, because they also have the same opportunities here as they have abroad.
And you know what? You know Noynoy better, I guess, than most of us. What kind of president will he be, you think?
I think he will be the best president we would ever have. Thank you so much.
Alright, at ang pagpapasalamat po hindi lang nagmula sa presidential girlfriend and Valenzuela 2nd District Councilor Shalani Soledad, nagmula din po sa Pangulo mismo, because the convention, the team, the delegates for the overseas Filipino workers for good governance, we also got to go to Malacanang Palace to visit the president. May courtesy call po, and here's one family. They were able to not only talk to the president, also shake hands and get his autograph. Let's watch this. Chris, how was it like, being here, meeting the president, taking a picture with him, and being in Malacanang?
It's unreal, but it could be better. But it's a very moving experience to be in Malacanang. I've been here once before, and it's good to be back here in the Philippines.
And Benel, were you able to take a picture? So many people weren't able to take a picture.
Actually, we're very lucky, and then my son actually has a chance to have we were able to shake hands with him, and my son had a signature.
Wow. You shook hands with the president. How cool is that? Very cool. Can you show us the signature of the president? How did you get this? What did you ask him? Did you ask him to sign it for you? How did you ask him?
Well, like we were just with the mob, and
yes, it was a mob, and then
we yeah, like there's this guy who took the paper out, and then like by chance to give it to him, and like we found a pen, and then he signed it.
Wow. What do you think of the new president? Do you like the new president?
Yeah.
Because he signed your ID for you? Is that why? Thank you.
Right.
Thank you. At napakarami pa pong kwento mula sa Pilipinas. We are actually preparing a 3-part special for you, talking about the future of the Philippines through Philippine politics. Abangan niyo po yan. We're gonna start showing that by next week. So abangan niyo po yan dito lang sa Kababayan LA. When we return on the show, kikilalanin po natin ang ating kababayan performer for today. And like I said earlier, he's not just a performer actually, because he's a singing nurse. He sings to his patients and he wakes them up. Kahit po comatose na, nagigising pa po. We will talk to him when we return. Don't go away.
The largest Filipino-American festival on the West Coast is back, Kababayan Fest. This event is going to be huge. Featuring live performances by America's Best Dance Crew winners, Choreotics, and We Are Heroes. Direct from the Philippines, and stars of GMA Pinoy TV, JR, Rian Ramos, Steven Silva, plus many, many more. Live festival entertainment, thrilling rides, and tons of Filipino culture. Kababayan Fest tickets are on sale now. Don't miss this event.
At bago po natin ipakilala sa inyo ang ating kababayan singing nurse, yan po, Kababayan Fest on Saturday if you don't have anything else to do. And we're going to make it sweeter for you by giving away tickets. We have 50 tickets to give away, and we're probably going to be giving away 5 packs of 10 each, or tama ba yun? Or 10 of 5 each. Whatever it is, email us, tell us why you want to watch this Kababayan Fest, who you want to see. That's the email address on the screen, kababayan@la18.tv. We're going to pick winners, and you will have to pick up your tickets here. Kailangan po mag-email na kayo ngayon because tomorrow we pick the winners, and tomorrow you have to pick up the tickets because that's already on Saturday. Magbabalik pa po ang Kababayan LA. Don't go away.